friends, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well wherever you are. Today I have brought you a very nice easy peasy Christmassy recipe. Yes, you can make it all year long, but at Christmas time it is more in demand, and I call it my Christmassy recipe because my German teacher taught me this on the eve of Christmas. That is why. And they are called coconut macarons. It is very easy to make, even kids can make with you. You need only three ingredients for this recipe. One will be the coconut, desiccated coconut. You can get it at any German supermarket, and it is called Kokosraspel. Another is condensed milk. Condensed milk is also available in all German supermarkets, and it is called Gezuckertes condensed milk. I always tell this German name because people, who are living in Germany and they are new here and they don't know what the ingredients name is. That is why I'm called their German names also. Eggs you can find anywhere, right? And there is some vanilla essence I use. You can also use cardamom powder instead of it, or you can use nothing. It is totally optional. Basically you need only three ingredients. So this is one ball recipe. I have whisked one egg already in this. I am taking whole egg. You can also take only egg whites. Actually, original recipe needs only egg whites, but I am using the whole egg because for me it binds it better, the macros, and I feel the taste better. And you don't need to measure anything. You just add the coconut powder the way you want. You can always increase the amount. You keep on tasting it how much you like, and then add condensed milk. So I am adding here condensed milk. This also you can change, increase or decrease the amount of condensed milk used according to your taste. If you think it is less sweet, add more condensed milk. And with condensed milk, it is easier to make. You can also use sugar, custard sugar, white sugar, and dissolve in the egg. But with condensed milk, it binds the macros very easily and very much better. You don't need this consistency. You need a little bit thicker. So you have to add a little bit more desiccated coconut. So you need this much consistency. So you can see that I have used around 200 gram of desiccated coconut, 1 egg, and 200 grams of condensed milk. And I will add some vanilla essence. Little drops are okay, enough. You can also skip it if you don't have it, and you can also have a cardamom powder if you want some Indian twist to this recipe. Applied some oil on my palm so that it doesn't stick, and I will make any shape, any ball shape, anything you like. And before that I have also preheated the oven to 100 degrees Celsius. I will give them this shape. Normally in market you can also get them in this shape. Means you can give any shape you like. They will taste very good and my kids love them. So I have made the shapes like this. You can also use some wet hands to make them a better shape. And oven is already preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. So I am putting it in the oven. So I kept in the oven for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes or whatever time it takes to have such color, you can keep the macarons in that, and they taste yummy and they are very crispy and soft from inside. From outside they are crispy, inside they are soft. So I hope you will like them, and please share your feedback with me in the comment box, and hit the like button if you like the recipe. So please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.